If you've ever wanted a quick and organized way to group your favorite photos together, maybe for a family vacation, a special event, or just to keep your camera roll from feeling overwhelming, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a photo album on the OneDrive website. By the end of this video, you'll have a neat new album ready to share or simply revisit whenever you want. It's a great way to keep your digital memories easy to find and showcase. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account and head over to the OneDrive website. If you haven't done this before, it's as simple as going to OneDrive.com, clicking Sign In, and entering your Microsoft email and password. Take a moment here. If you've got two-step verification, you might need to approve a login, but once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a little menu. Look for the option labeled Photos. Go ahead and click that. This is where OneDrive brings together all the images it can find across your storage, so if you have holiday snapshots, work images, or even screenshots, you'll see them collected here. Once you're in the Photos section, direct your attention to the top of the page and find the Albums tab. It should be sitting nicely next to all photos. Click on Albums, and now you're viewing any albums you've previously made, or none at all yet if you're just starting out. To kick things off with a new album, look for the New Album button. Sometimes it's displayed as a simple circle with a plus sign inside. Give that a click. This is your canvas, OneDrive's way of saying, all right, let's collect some memories. A small box will pop up asking for a name for your new album. Don't rush this part. A good album name makes it easy to find later. For example, instead of calling it Photos, try something specific like Summer 2024 Road Trip or Grandma's 80th Birthday. Once you've typed your chosen name, hit Create, and you'll see your album appear in the list, all set to be filled up. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite photos. You'll see an option to select images from your OneDrive storage. Scroll through your collection and click on the images you want. If you're making an album for a vacation, for instance, pick out all the beach pictures, sightseeing shots, and group selfies you want to include. If you click a photo by mistake, don't worry, just click again to unselect it. And don't stress if you can't find a picture right away. You can always add or remove photos later. Once you're happy with your selection, look for the button that says Add to Album and click it. In a few seconds, all those photos get bundled into your new album. And just like that, you have a OneDrive album ready to go. You can now browse it, share it with family and friends, or even start a slideshow right online. Using albums helps you keep your memories organized, much like stacking printed photos into labeled boxes, except digital albums are easier to search and harder to misplace. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial made organizing your OneDrive photos a little easier, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Got questions or want to share how you organize your albums? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your tips and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy tech tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.